Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use ChatGPT for photo analysis. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you're going to do is simply go ahead and open your ChatGPT application. And now you want to simply go ahead and click on the plus icon and click on photos. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and select any photo that you have in your gallery. Let's just say that one. I want you to analyze this photo and tell me this exact place in Nepal, let's say, for example. And now it is gonna do its best to go ahead and analyze the image and tell you whatever you were asked for. So you can simply go ahead and ask it for a specific question from the image or anything else. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the